ದಿನಾಂಕ 28 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2026ರಂದು ಗಣಿತ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಬರೀತಿರುವಂತಹ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ತಯಾರಿಯು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Hello, hi my dear students. Welcome to last minute revision guide. In the previous video, part 1, we studied 2 chapters. Today we are learning very important 3 chapters. Pair of linear equations, which carries, you will get 4 questions. 2 mark 1 question, 1 mark 2 questions, 2 mark 1 question, 1 4 mark question. Very important graph. You will get totally 8 marks. See, maximum marks it is carrying. Quadratic equations, totally you will get 3 questions. 1 mark 2 questions, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question. Totally you will get 6 marks. And arithmetic progression, very important, 4 questions. 1 2 mark question. And 1 mark 2 questions, 2 mark 1 question. You will get 2 plus 2 4. And 1 4 mark question, very dangerous question. Totally 8 marks. Totally 22 marks preparation we are doing in this video. Let us quickly start with the rapid revision in this flow chart. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables. General form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Methods of solving, you have graphical method and you have substitution method and elimination method you learnt. In the graphical method is very important. You will get 4 mark questions on it. And first of all, you have to prepare the truth table, plot both the lines, intersection point will be the solution. And if the lines are intersecting, solution will be unique. If they are coincident, number of solutions will be infinite. Parallel, no solution. Plot the graph properly. X and Y coordinate I will shortly show you in the model papers. In substitution method, express in one variable, substitute in another equation, solve for one variable, substitute back to get to the second variable. Elimination method, make one of the coefficients equal, add or subtract depending upon the equation. I will show you later. One variable is eliminated, find remaining variable. Consistency check, very important for exam. A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2 you have to take. See, if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon A2, then the solution will be unique and it will be consistent. What do you mean by consistent? Consistent if it has got at least one solution. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, then it will have infinite number of solutions and therefore it is also consistent. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon A2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, then it has no solution. Lines will be parallel, here coincident, here intersecting. Word problems, very important. Form equations from the given situation, very important. Solve using any method. Write final answer clearly XY. Final answers format, always write XY. Check by substitution method. Let us start with see the graph also. Intersecting, parallel, coincident. Graphical method of solving will start with the direct questions. Common mistakes of the students are preparing truth table by taking too many values of x. Scale mistakes you may do and plotting coordinate graph. Right? Let us take model question number 1. Question number 34. Solve the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. X plus 2y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 5. See, you have to take only 2 values. Once you take x is equal to 0, another time you take y is equal to 0. That's all. If you put x is equal to 0 here, you will get what? 2y is equal to 6. then y will be automatically equal to 6 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 3s, I will get 3. Therefore, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 0, x becomes equal to what? 6. Therefore, 2 points are 0, 3, 6, 0. Similarly, x plus y is equal to 5. When you put x is equal to 0, y will be 5. When you put y is equal to 0, x will be 5. You unnecessarily take too many values. Don't take. Plot the graphs here. First of all, we will take the first equation. X plus 2y is equal to 6. You see here in a different color, blue color. What is the point here? 0, 3. Where it comes? 0, 3 comes on the y-axis. Write the points like this. And write the scale correctly. X-axis, y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay. And a truth table, if you prepare, you will get 1 mark. For this truth table, you will get 1 mark. Okay. I will not repeat it again and again. Drawing 2 lines. Now see here. X plus y is equal to 0. 0, 5 comes on the y-axis. And 6, 0 comes on the x-axis. 5, 0 comes on the x-axis. Join it. You can observe the red color. They are intersecting at the point 4, 1. How to identify the point? You count the boxes here. How many boxes here? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Therefore, x coordinate is abscissa is 4. Ordinate is 1. Therefore, 4, 1. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. If you write the solution, you will get 1 mark. Drawing 2 lines, you will get 1 mark. Each truth table 2 mark. 2 plus 2, 4. Very easy question, my dear students. They will get, generally, they will get one of the variable equal. Either you can get the answers very easily. Generally, they will be intersecting. Study another question. Model question number 2. 34th question. 2x plus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to truth table. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to, when x is equal to 0. See, it is there is a mistake in the model solution here. This graph is this graph is this. Okay. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to 1, right? If you take 1 to the right, you will get 0, y will be equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to minus. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 is the pointer. So, they are interchanged here. Here you have to try it. 2x plus y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, you will get what? Y is equal to 8. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to, y is equal to 0, 2x, y becomes 0 is equal to 8. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. You will get 4 0. 0 8 4 0. You can observe here, plotting the points. First one is 0 minus 1. Where you get 0 minus 1? Here you get 0 minus 1. 1 0. Where you get 1 0? Where you get 1 0? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Produce it, right? And similarly, another second equation is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. You plot the graph 8. Write scale properly. And another point is 4 0. Produce them. They will intersect at the point x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to t. Model question number 3. Take a 2x plus y is equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 6. Observe here, truth table. X plus 2y is equal to 8. Problem must be x plus 2y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 0, x plus 2y, there is a misprint, I will correct it. X plus 2y is equal to 8. Observe here. When x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 8, y will be equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 8. Therefore, 0, 4, 8, 0. X plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5 is the equation. X is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 5. X is equal to, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Draw the 2 lines here. One is 0, 4, 0, 4 and 8, 0. Another one is 0, 5. Sorry, x plus y is equal to 6 it is. 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 of x plus y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 0, x will be 6. You will get here 0, 6. They are intersecting at the point x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. I hope you understood, my dear students. You are already perfect in drawing graphs. Let us see another one. Model question number 4. X plus 2y is equal to 6. When you put x is equal to 0, you will get 2y is equal to 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. You will get y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. 0, 3, 6, 0. Take only 2 values. Don't take too many values. X plus y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Very easy equation, my dear students. Write the scale properly. Both x and y axis. X and y axis you draw. You plot 0, 3. Where comes 0, 3? First one, x plus 2y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Yes, you get 0, 3 here. Right? So another one is 6, 0. Where you get 6, 0? You will get 6, 0 here. Produce them, draw them and produce them. And this will be the equation. First equation, x plus 2y is equal to 6. Similarly, second equation, x plus y is equal to 2. 0, 2, where you get here? 0, 2 is here. 0, 2. 0, 2. And this one is 2, 0. Produce them backwards. They will intersect at a point that is minus 3. That is, minus 2. Here you observe, minus 2 will be the x coordinate. Y coordinate will be, you can observe, 4. Minus 2 and 4. They are intersecting at the point minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. Again, observe here for table calculation 2 here. For marking points and drawing 1.5 marks. For writing the solution, you will get half marks. Like this, 4 marks are distributed. Study carefully. And then we will move on to next question. 2 mark questions. Solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method. Very easy. Observe the sign. Y already ready now. Whenever sign are different, you need not subtract, just add them. Y gets cancelled. 2x plus 3x is 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. You will get x is equal to 4. Substituting x is equal to 4 in equation number 2. You get what? 4 minus y is equal to 2. Take 2 to the left, y to the right. You will get 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2, therefore answer is 2. Therefore each carrying 1 marks. And in model question number 4, you can observe question number 20. 3x minus y is equal to 15. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Observe, whenever both of them have same sign, you have to write the minus sign here. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Y cancels. 3x minus 2x will be x. 15 minus 5 is 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. For this, you will get half mark and half mark. Substitute the value of x is equal to 10 in equation number 2. You will get 2 into 10 minus y is equal to 5. 20 minus y is equal to 5. Easy question, my dear students. Take 5 to the left. 20 minus y is 15. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 15. For this, you will get half marks. Totally 2 marks. Similarly, solve the given in model question number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 8. 3x minus y. Again, observe, sign is opposite, therefore just add them. You will get 5x is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. X is equal to 5 1s are, 5 3s are, getting x is equal to 3. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. You get 2 3s are, 6 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. Therefore, you get 2 marks. Then solve the given pair of equation by in model question number 2. Again, write, observe. The sign is same. Therefore, you are subtracting. Therefore, sign changes to minus. Minus. X cancels. 2i minus y is y. Right? You get 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4. You get, for this, you will get 1 mark. Substitute y is equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 2, sorry. X plus y is equal to 6. X is equal to y is equal to 4. You put 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Correct answer. Now, 1 mark questions. See, in the figure, the number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x is how many times it is cutting the x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Observe here. Next question. Here. If the lines representing the pair of linear equations a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 intersect each other, then the correct relation among the following is whenever they intersect, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore, D is correct answer. MCQs, observe. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations are 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2, 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. Whenever they are parallel, you know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2, a1 is 3 here, b1 is 2 here. a1 upon a2, 2 here, b1 is 2k, and you have b2 is equal to 5. You can cancel now. You can take 5 to the left. You get k is equal to 5 3s are 15. Take 2 to the left. 2 2s are 4. 15 by 4. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Study how to get it. If they are parallel, this is thing. Then question number 4. If the pair of linear equation a1x or b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon a2, then the lines are perfectly correct answer is parallel lines. Very simple question, my dear students. Then question number 8. How many solutions does the pair of linear equation two variables have if they are inconsistent? Whenever they are inconsistent, lines will be parallel, therefore no solution. Then model question number 3, 11th question. If the quadratic polynomial x square minus 9x plus 20, find the value of f of 1. Put any x is equal to 1 here, 1 square minus 9 into 1 into 20. You got 1 minus 9 is minus 8, 20 minus 8 is 12. Some questions from polynomials are also mixed here. Okay. Then 2 mark question. How many solutions do the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 if the lines represented by them are intersecting? It is 1 mark question, printed as 4 marks, 1 mark question. Only one solution. Whenever they are intersecting, the solution will be only one. Another simple 1 mark question. And write the quadratic polynomial p of x where zeros are alpha and beta. You know that it is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. You can easily answer it. And that completes pair of linear equations into variable. Let us move on to the 4th main question, quadratic equations. See, in the quadratic equation, we will quickly recap. The definition of quadratic equation is any equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, having a degree 2 is called as quadratic equation. Types of quadratic equation, right? And complete equation, missing b, ax square plus c is equal to 0, missing c, ax square plus bx is equal to 0. Methods of solving, factorization method, splitting the middle term, product AC. I have written steps here. Write the quadratic equation in standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Factorize using splitting the middle term. Take the product of coefficients of x square, that is a, and the constant term c. Check the sign of the constant term. If positive, find two factors f1 and f2 such that f1 plus f2 is equal to b and f1 into f2 is equal to ac. Means sum of the factors must be equal to b, product of the factor must be equal to ac. Write the middle term bx in terms of f1 and f2 as f1x plus f2x plus c is equal to 0. If c is negative, find the two factors f1 and f2 of ac such that difference is equal to b, product is equal to ac. Write the middle term bx as the difference of them, f1x minus f2x plus c. Take common factors and solve for x. That is, you are already perfect with the quadratic formula. Completing square method is not there for your syllabus. Remember quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This root of b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant. And this will decide d, whether the nature of the roots. If d is greater than 0, positive, then two roots are real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, roots are equal, d is less than 0, real roots. Graph of the quadratic polynomial. It will have the parabolic shape, application of word problems, area problems, number problems, and geometrical based problems may appear. Weightage is you will get 1 mark question, 1 2 mark question, 1 3 mark question. Here you may get some dangerous statement based questions. And here generally common errors to student doing are sign mistakes of minus b, not simplifying the root value correctly while factorizing, splitting the middle term without observing sign behind the constant term, they will solve. We'll see directly the questions from model question number 1. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0 and determine the nature of roots. Express the quadratic equation or express the quadratic equation in the standard form. Question appeared for 2 marks, very easy question. Compare with the standard form. A is equal to 2r, b is equal to 3r, c is equal to minus 7. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. B square is 3 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 7. Minus into minus is plus, 3 square is 9, 4 2 is 8, 8 7 is 56, plus 9 is 65, greater than 0. For each step you will get half mark. The roots are real and distinct. For that you will get half marks, 2 marks are scored. And write it in the standard form. Easier question than the first part. Okay. 2x, right? 2x into x is 2x square, 3 into x is 3x, x square plus 1. Take x square to the left, 2x square plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square plus 3x minus 1 will be 0. For this you will get 1 mark, very easy, and R part is very simple. Next, model question number 2, 19th question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. Express x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4 in the standard form of quadratic equation. Let us take 3x square minus 6x plus 3. I told you a and c you have to multiply, which is 3 3s are 9. The factors of sign is plus. The factors of 9 are 3 into 3. So that sum is equal to, and as there is minus 6x, you have to express this minus 6x as minus 3x minus 3x. Take 3x common, left with x minus 1, minus 3 common, you will get x, minus into plus is minus 1, take x minus 1 common, 3x minus 3, you will get x is equal to 1, and 3x is equal to 3, 3 cancels, x is equal to 1. For this you will get half marks. The roots of the equation you have to write clearly at the end. For that you will get half marks. Similarly, x plus 2 whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube formula? Recall, a plus b whole cube, right? Which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. We'll apply it now. Here a is a x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a into b, x into 2, x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube plus 2 cube, 3 2s are 6 into x is 6x square plus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12x, and right hand side you write x cube minus 4. Take all the right hand side to the left, you get 0. X cube minus x cube cancels. 2 cube is 8, 6x square plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. And you can observe 6 is common here, divide whole by 2, you will get x square plus 2x plus 2. Like this, for every step you will get half mark, thus you can score 2 marks. Let us see 2 mark questions. Find the roots of the quadratic equation, right? Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation and write the square nature of the roots. First of all, we will take 2x square plus x minus 6. Here you are taking 2 into 6. Observe, product is 12, AC is 12, sign is minus, the factors of 12, in the middle there is a plus x. The factors will be 4 3s are 12, therefore 4x minus 3x. Therefore plus 4x minus 3x, take 2x common here, you are left with x plus 2, minus 3 common here, you will get x, minus into minus is plus 2, take x plus 2 common in them, you will get 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, take 2 to the right, you will get x is equal to minus 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and you can take 2x is equal to 3, then x becomes equal to 3 upon 2. Then or question, what you are asked to find out nature of the roots. Compare, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 6 square minus 4, a is 2, c is 3. You can take 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 36 minus 24 is 12. It is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are distinct, real and distinct. Then model question number 4. For what value of k, the roots of kx square 6x plus 1 is equal to 0, roots are equal. Again compare, here a is equal to k, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 1. For roots to be 0, d will be equal to what? 0. B square minus 4 is 0. B is 6 square minus 4 into a is k, c is 1. You can take 36, 6 square is 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 36, 4 1s are, 4 9s are. Therefore, k is equal to 9. For every step you get half marks. Observe the scheme of evaluation. Second one, find the roots of the quadratic equation. Again you have factorization method. Here it is 10. The middle, that is b is minus 3. What are the factors? 5 and 2. Therefore you have to take minus 5x plus 2x. Therefore take x common, x minus 5 plus 2 common, x minus 5. X minus 5 is common here. You are left with x plus 2. X minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. And take plus 2 to the right, minus 2. I hope you got the answer. You can get 2 marks. And next question. Very important. Very important. Be carefully learn. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km. The average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of the two trains. First of all, we will take, let the speed of the passenger train be x km per hour. You know that speed is given by distance covered upon time taken. If you take time to the left, time becomes equal to distance covered upon speed. That is distance upon speed. The average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. Means what? Speed of the express train will be x plus 11 km per hour. Now the question is time taken by the passenger to travel 132 km. T is given by distance covered is total distance is 132 km upon speed is x. Similarly, time taken by express train to travel 132 km is T2, 132 upon x plus 11 hours. These equations very important. You will get 1 marks. Which one moves slowly? Passenger train. Passenger train takes lot of time. Therefore, T1 is greater than T2. Therefore, T1 minus T2 will be, what is the difference? Time, an express train takes 1 hour less time, means this difference will be 1 hour. Therefore, 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 is 1. Right? You take LCM, x into 132 into x plus 11 plus 132 into x. Remove the bracket, you get 132x plus 132 into 11 becomes 1452. Then 132 minus 132x. Okay, you get here on, take it to the right hand side, x into x is x square, 11 into x is 11x, 132x minus 132x cancel. You will get 1452. You have to get the factors of 1452, very important. 1452 factors. 1452 factors you can start with 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are. You can divide by 3 now. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. 11 into 11. Okay. You can take 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44. 44 and 33, because the difference must be equal to what? 11. Therefore, you are taking 44x minus 33x plus 44x minus 1452. If you take x common here, you will get x minus 33 plus 44. If you take common, automatically you will left with x minus 33. Take x minus 33, x plus 44 common here, and x minus 33 will be 0, x plus 44 will be 0. That is speed cannot be negative. Therefore, you are taking the positive value. Speed of the passenger train is 33 km per hour. Express train will be 11 km more than that, which will be 44 km per hour. For this, you will get half marks. Carefully solve dangerous questions. Move on to the next. The ages of two students A and B are 19 years and 15 years respectively. Find how many years it will take so that the product of their ages becomes equal to 480. Relatively easier problem. Let the required number of years be x. Right? A takes 19 plus x years and B takes 15 plus x years. When the product becomes 480. Simple question. Remove the bracket. X into x is x square. Okay. And if you remove the bracket, you will get here 9, that is 19 into 15 is 195, and 19x plus 15x is 34x, 29, 34x, you will get 135. Get the factors of 135 such that difference is equal to, such that minus sign is there, difference is equal to, you can start with 9 plus 1, 10, 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15. Next you have to divide it by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now you can take 13 3s are 39 minus 5. 39 minus 5 is 4. Therefore 39x minus 5x. Take x common, left with x plus 13. Take minus 5 common, x plus 13. You will get x plus 13, x minus 5 factors. Equate them to 0. X is equal to 5. You cannot take negative value. Therefore product of the ranges after 40 becomes after 5 years. After 5 years product becomes, thus you get 1 mark here, 1 mark here, half and half marks, 3 marks you can score easily. Next, 3 marks question. The denominator of a fraction, very important questions, is 1 more than twice its numerator. The sum of this fraction and its reciprocal is 29 by 10. Find the fraction. Read carefully. The denominator of a fraction is 1 more than twice its numerator. Let the numerator of the fraction be x. 1 more than twice andre 2x plus 1 you have to write. Therefore fraction will be numerator upon denominator. Numerator is x, denominator is 2x plus 1. Reciprocal of that becomes 2x plus 1 upon x. What they are saying? That the sum of this fraction and its reciprocal is 29 by 10. You take x upon 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 upon x is equal to 29 by 10. Then you take LCM, it will be x into 2x plus 1, x into x is x, 2x plus 1 whole square. You have to expand 2x plus 1 whole square using which formula? A square means 2x whole square is 4x square plus 2ab, 2 to the 4x, 2ab plus b square is 1. You are already there, x square plus divided by x into 2x is 2x square plus x. Now you can observe in the equation 4x square plus x square is 5x square plus 1 plus 4x. 2x square plus x, cross multiply 10 into 5x square plus 1 plus 5x. Take 29, 2x square plus x to the right, 2x square plus x. Remove the bracket, 10 5 is 50x square. 10 into 1 is 10, 10 4 is 40x, 29 2 is 58x square. Observe the, take it to the left, it becomes a minus 58x square. Then 29x, take it to the left, it becomes minus 29x square. Now, you can simplify this. That is, you get 50x square minus 58x square is minus 8x square. Observe carefully. 40x minus 29x is plus 11x. Plus 11x. They are not written the step there, I am writing here. And you have minus 10. You have plus 10 there. Plus 10 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by minus sign, you get what? 8x square minus 4x. Then you get minus 10 is equal to 0. You have to get the factors of it. Okay. The factors will be what? The factors will be 10 8s are 80. You have to get the factors of 80 such that you must get what? You must get the difference is 4x. What are the factors of 80? You can start now. 2 2s are 4 or 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 20. 2 10s are 2 5s are. You get here 16 5s are. 16 5s are 80. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16 5s are. Therefore, you can take minus 16x plus 5x because there is minus sign here. Plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Take 8x common, left with x minus 2. Take plus 5 common, left with x minus 2. Take x minus 2 common, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 5 by 8. And the numerator is 2. If you take a denominator will be 2x plus 1 will be 5. Therefore, fraction is 2 by 5. Very interesting problem, my dear students. Don't consider tough questions. They are interesting questions. Or question is also interesting. Let us study. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the total cost of the article. Let x be the number of articles produced on that day. You start with the solution like this. Read the statement. The cost of the production of each article, one article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Number of articles are x, 3 more than twice means 2x plus 3. Total production cost is 90. How many articles are produced? X articles. Cost of each is rupees 2x plus 3. Therefore, this product must be equal to what? 90. Therefore, you get a quadratic equation now. 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. Take 90 to the left. Get the factors of 90. Right? You will get the equation 2x square. Even you can divide throughout by 2 also and make it very simple. No problem. They have taken the factors are 59, 12 plus 15x minus 12x. If you factorize, you will get take x common, 2x plus 15 minus 6 common. You will get 2x plus 15, 2x plus 15, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Even you can divide by 2. No, you cannot. Okay. You will get the factors as 59, 12. Right. If you multiply 180 into 2, try for yourself. X minus 6 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 6. And x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Therefore, total number of articles cannot be negative. Therefore, you have to take x is equal to 6. Number of articles produced is x is equal to 6. And production of each article is 2x plus 3, 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 3, rupees 15, 15 will be the answer. For this, you will get half for splitting the middle term half, writing the factors half, final answer half, and writing the final conclusion, you will get half marks. Carefully remember. Let us move on to the next question. The difference between the 3-mark questions are dangerous in quadratic equation. The difference between the altitude and base of a right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. If the area of the triangle is 150 centimeter square, then find the base and altitude of the triangle. The difference between altitude be x, base be y. The difference is x minus y. Altitude of the triangle be x and the base of the triangle be y as shown in the figure. Difference is x minus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 5. Area of the triangle is given by 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height is x into y. 1 by 2 xy. Take 2 to the left. Area is given as 150. 2 to the left you get 150. 2s are 300 is equal to x into x minus 5. And reduce it into the stand form. X into is x square minus 5x. Take 300 to the right. You will get x square minus 5x 300. Get the factors of 300. How do you get? You can take now 3 1s are. Then you can take 2 5s are 10. Then you can take 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. Then you can take 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Factors will be, the difference must be equal to what? Difference must be equal to 5. Therefore, you can take 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20 and 15 are the factors. Therefore, as it is minus, plus 15x minus 20x you can take x common, left with x plus 15 minus 20 common, x plus 15. X plus 15 you take common, x minus 20. Therefore, x plus 15 is equal to 0, x minus 20 is equal to 0, x is equal to 20, length cannot be negative. Therefore, you are taking x is equal to 20. Then that is the altitude will be 20. Then what is the base? Base will be x minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15 centimeter. For this, observe the schema. For writing this equation half mark, writing area half mark, finding quadratic equation half mark, and splitting the middle terms and solving it half marks, writing conclusion half marks. Okay, let us study the last paper here. The duration of the spacewalk of astronaut A is 6 hours longer than the duration of the spacewalk of astronaut B. If they both continue a spacewalk for 4 more hours, the product of their spacewalk duration becomes 720 hours. Find the spacewalk duration of astronauts A and B. Look at here. Let the duration of spacewalk of astronaut B be x, because they have given the duration of the space walk of astronaut A arthas is 6 hours longer. Therefore, take x. Therefore, the duration of the space walk of astronaut A will be x plus 6 hours. If they continue spacewalk for 4 more hours, x 4 more hours becomes x plus 4, and B 4 more hours becomes x plus 4, A 4 more hours becomes x plus 6 plus 4 means x plus 10 hours. The duration of the spacewalk of the astronaut A into the duration of spacewalk of astronaut B will be 720. X plus 4 into x plus 10 is 720. If you remove the bracket, x into x is x square plus 10x plus 4 into x is 4x, 40, 720. X square plus 14x, see 10 plus 4x, you take minus 70, 680, 14x, you have to split 680, right? You have to split 680. The factors you get, you can try on your own, will be 34 and 20. 34 and 20, because the difference must be 14. You can get the factors on your own. It will be, if you take plus 34x and minus 20x. Take x common here, x plus 34, and you can take minus 20 common, x plus 34 is equal to 0. X plus 34, x minus 20 is equal to 0. Equate them, x minus 20 is equal to 0. You cannot, duration negative. Therefore, x will be 20 hours, and the time taken by the B will be 20 hours. A will be 6 hours more than that. It will be 26 hours. Okay. Let us move on to the very short answer 1 mark questions, MCQs. The quadratic equation whose roots are 6 and minus 1. How do you write the equation? X square minus alpha plus beta. You remember? Alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. What is alpha and beta now? Alpha and beta, x square minus alpha is 6 minus 1 x. Alpha into beta is minus 6, because 6 into minus 1 is minus 6 is equal to 0. You get x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0 will be the answer. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 10. What are question number 2? Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the value of discriminant 0, very, very easy question, my dear students. Roots are real and equal. And the length of rectangle is 3 times the breadth. The area of rectangle is 75 centimeter square. The quadratic equation to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. You know that length, let us take, let breadth be x. Length is 3 times more than means 3x. Area of the rectangle is given by length into breadth. What is the length is? 3x into x is, area is 75. And 3x into x is 3x square. The answer will be 3x square minus 75 is equal to 0. The correct answer is C. You can easily solve this. The quadratic equation among the following is, observe x into x, x square plus x. First one is not correct answer. Second one becomes cubic equation. Third one x square cancels. It will be linear equation. Therefore, B is correct answer. That's all. We'll move on to the 5th chapter, my dear students. Arithmetic progression. Very, very important chapter. Right? First of all, you must know what is a sequence, ordered numbers, series. Whenever ordered numbers, andre a set of objects or things arranged in a definite pattern is called as a sequence. Whenever terms of the sequence are expressed with a plus sign, then it is called as a series. What is an AP? The numbers with a constant difference D. That is, an AP is a arithmetic progression is defined as the progression in which a difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. General form will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Terms A is called as first term, D is called as common difference. Types of AP, increasing AP, if D is greater than 0, decreasing AP, D is a negative. Finding common difference is any term minus previous term. A2 minus A1, or even you can take A3 minus A2, so on. General nth term of an AP is given by n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You learnt, we discussed the derivation of it. Last term of an AP is given by L, A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of n terms of AP is given by n by 2. When last term is not given, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And when last term is given, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus L. Arithmetic mean. If A, capital A, B are in AP, then the middle term will be arithmetic mean between the first and the last. A plus B by 2. Important applications. Finding missing terms, word problems, money, distance, pattern, real life situations. If at all problems are given, you must be in a position to solve. Let us solve quickly the questions appeared in the model papers. First question here, in an arithmetic progression, S20 is equal to A20, A20 is equal to 79, find its first term. S20, A20 is equal to 79 means n is equal to 20. Let us use the formula Sn upon n by 2 is equal to a plus last term, an. Sn is 820, n is 20, 20 by 2, a plus 79, 2 1s are, 2 10s are, very easy, 0 0 cancels, you will get 82 is equal to a plus 79, 0 0 I will cancel here, right? Then you get a is equal to 82 minus 79 becomes 3, therefore a is equal to 3. For this you will get 2 marks. Observe, for every writing data you will get half mark, writing formula you will get half mark, substitution half mark, simplification half mark. 2 mark questions will appear like this. Model question number 2. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of arithmetic progression. Very easy question. 6, 10, 14 using formula. We will solve now. The first term in this sequence is a. Common difference is 4. You can observe 10 minus 6. A2 minus A1. 4. N is equal to how much? 20. And S20 is asked. Sn is equal to n by 2. Writing formula half marks. Don't forget to write formula. It has got half marks. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute properly. S20. 20 by 2. 2 into a is 6. N minus 1 is 20 minus 1 into 4. 19 4s are 76. 2 1s are, 2 10s are. You are left with the 10 here. 12 plus 19 4s are 76. 76 plus 12 is 88. 88 into 10 is 880. And you will, for solving this, you will get 2 marks. Second question is, find which term of the arithmetic progression is 4. Observe, a is 2, common difference, a2 minus 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, and nth term is 47, you don't know n now. Put the unknown values, you know how to solve such questions. n is 47, put a, n minus 1 into 5. Take 2 to the left, 47 minus 2 is 45. Remove the bracket, 5 into n is 5n minus 5. Take a minus 5 to the left, you will get 45 plus 5 is 50. 5n is equal to 50, n is equal to 50 by 5. 5 1s are, 5 10s are, therefore 10th term is 47. For solving this much, you will get 2 marks. Next question. Model question number 3. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 1 and 14th term is 53, first term a1 means 1, 14th term is 53, then find the nth term of this progression. Easy question, my dear students. Take a 14 is equal to 53. You know the formula. For writing correct formula, you will get half marks. Don't forget to write the formula. an is given as 53. A is 1 plus how many terms are there? N is equal to 14 minus 1 into d, 13d. You will get 53 is equal to 1 plus 13d. Take 1 to the left, you will get 52 is equal to 13d. D is equal to 52 upon 13. 13 ones are, 13 fours are. D is equal to 4. Therefore, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal d is equal to 4. And a is equal to 1. n is equal to 1 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Therefore, nth term of an AP is 4n minus 3. For solving substitution and finding d, you will get half mark. Writing an correctly, you will get a half mark. Like this, you will get 2 marks. Model question number 4, 2 marks question. Find how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3 will start from 12. 12 because 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, so on. Which is the last 3-digit number divisible by 3 is 99. Therefore, a is 12, d is 15 minus a2 minus a1 3, an is 99. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. How many? You are asked again n value. Put n is equal to 99, a is equal to 12, n minus 1 into d is how much? 3. Now take 12 to the left. 99 minus 12 is 87. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. N minus 3. Take 3 to the left. You will get n minus 1 is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. Divisible. You can divide now. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 29. N is equal to 30. For writing correct formula, half marks. Writing substitution. Finding all the values, half marks. And getting n, finally will get half marks. Or find the sum of 20 terms of arithmetic progression. Very easy question, my dear students. A is equal to 11. D is equal to 15 minus 11 is 4. N is equal to 20. And S20 is asked. Very easy question. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You will get half marks for writing the formula. Don't forget to write the formula. S20 is equal to, don't skip the steps. 20 by 2, 2 into 11 plus 20 minus 1 into 4. 2 1s are, 2 10s are. You will get 22. 19 4s are 76. You will get what? 98. 98 into 10 is 980. Will be the answer. Move on to the next question. And model question number 1, you will get 4 mark question now. Very important. Lengthy questions will be there. Be careful. And you will get it in 4 marks questions will be there. Out of them will be 1. The sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n. Find the nth term of the progression. First part. If this progression consists 59 terms, then find the sum of last terms of the progression. Very important. See carefully. Very dangerous questions. See. First of all, Sn is given 3n square plus 1. When you put n is equal to 1, you will get S1. 3 into, wherever there is 1, you put 1 carefully. Carefully study this. 1 square plus 2 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. S1 is 5. N is equal to 2 you put. You get S2. S2 is equal to what? 3. Wherever n is there, put 2. 2 square plus 2 into 2. 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. N is equal to 3. S3 is equal to 3. 3 square 9. 9 3s are 27. 27. 3 2s are 6. 33. You know that An is given by Sn minus Sn minus 1. Remember this formula we are using here. A1 is equal to S1. No problem here because there are no term behind it. 5. First term will be 5. A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 is how much? 16 minus 5 is 11. A3 is equal to S3 minus S2. S3 is 33 minus 16 is 17. Therefore, the required arithmetic progression is 5, 11, 17. For this, you will get 1 mark. For writing this, you will get already you have got 2.5 marks. And remaining half mark will be given for getting 59th term. That is A is equal to n minus 1 into D. You get here, you are asked to get what? You are asked to get nth term. Yes. 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. 5 plus 6n minus 6. An. That is 6n. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Therefore, an is equal to 6n minus 1. And you scored now 2.5, 3 marks. Last 1 marks. You are asked to get what? You are asked to get A. Find the sum of last 10 terms. Last 10 terms are given by S59 minus S49. If you subtract S49 from S59, you will get last 10 terms. This will be n by 2 again. 2A. A is 5 plus n minus 1 is 59 minus 1 into 6 minus 49 sum. If you subtract 49 by 2, 2 into 5, 49 minus 1, you will get here 59 by 2 plus 10. 2 5s are 10. 59 minus 58 into 6 minus 49 by 2. 10 plus 48 into 6. Take the product now. 59 by 2. 10 plus 6 8s the 48 carry 4. 6 348. You will get similarly 6 8s the 48 carry 4. 6 4 24 288. And you can take take the product now. Now you can simplify it further. You can take cancel now. 2 1s are, you can observe 2 1s are, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 179. Similarly, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are. You can observe here, if you multiply 59 into 169, 79, you get 10,561. You try for yourself. 49 to 149, you have to multiply 7301. Final answer will be 3260. For this calculation, you will get 1 marks. Thus, you can score 4 out of 4 marks. Next, from model question number 2. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic progression is 42. If the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term of the progression is 1:3, then find the 13th term of the progression. See, look at the problem. Study carefully. See, what is given here? The sum of the first 6 terms of an AP. Sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 42. Means S6 is equal to 42. Let us work on it. N by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 42. N is 6 here. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 2A plus which term? 6th term. N is equal to 6. You substitute. You will get 5D. 6 by 2 is 3. Right? If you take a 3 to the right, you will get 3 1s are 3 4s are 14. 2A plus 5D is equal to 14. And call it as equation number 1. for writing this formula, half mark, half mark, half mark. Already you scored 1.5 marks up to this step. The ratio A10 upon A30 is equal to 1:3. A10 means A plus 9D. A30 means A plus 29D. Cross multiply, you will get 3 into A plus 9D. And you have 1 into A plus 29D. Remove the bracket. 3A plus 27D. A plus 29D. Okay. You can take 27D to the right, A to the left. 3A minus A, 2A. 29D minus 27D. 2D. 2 cancels. A is equal to D. Substitute A is equal to D in equation 1. 2A. You put D here. 2D plus 5D is 14. So there, here you have to substitute. You will get 7D is equal to 14. D is equal to 14 by 7. You will get D is equal to 2. And next you are asked to find out the 13th term of the progression. For this you will get half marks. Observe carefully the scheme of evaluation. And last 13th term you will get 1 mark, remaining 1 mark here. A plus 12D. 12 into D is 2. 12 to is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Therefore 13th term is 26. Any or one choice will be there for this. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of the 4th term and the 8th term is 24. And the sum of the 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the arithmetic progression, also find the 25th term. Read carefully 4th term. Very easy question. Sum of the 4th term and 8th term is 24. 4th term, A4 plus 8 is 24. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A8 is equal to A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A is 2A. 3D, 7D is 10D is equal to 24. Divide throughout by 2. You will get A plus 5D is equal to 12. Call it as equation number 1. Look at here. This is first equation. Next, sum of the 6th term and 10th term is 44. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Divide throughout by 2. You will get A plus 7D is equal to 22. Call it as equation number 2. Taking equation 2 minus 1. Right? By elimination method you can cancel. Minus. A cancels. 7D minus 2D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 2. You will get 5. D is equal to 5. Substitute D is equal to 5 in equation number 1. Which is A plus 5D is equal to 12. Put D is equal to 5. 25. A is equal to 12 minus 25 is minus 13. A is equal to minus 13. Therefore, AP is minus 13. Common difference of 5 add minus 8. 5 add minus 3. Right? Any 3 terms are sufficient. It is AP. And up to this you got already 4.5 marks. And 25th term is A plus 24D. A is minus 13. 24 5 is 120. Minus 13 is 107. Therefore, answer is A25 is 107. Like this you can score. Any one you choose and decide and solve the problem. Right? Next, question number, model paper number 3. See the 4 mark question. An arithmetic progression consists of 4 terms whose sum is 32. The ratio of the product of the first and the last terms to the product of the second and the third term is 7:15. Find the terms. Remember, generally, whenever 4 terms are given, conjugative terms are given, you better take like this. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Observe that 2D is the common difference. A minus 3D plus 2D is A minus D. A minus D plus 2D is A plus D. A plus D plus 2D is 3D. Whenever you add them, one of the D will be cancelled. Observe here. If I add, what is given? The sum is 32. A minus 3D, A minus D. If you add them, observe. How many D's are there? Minus 3D plus 3D. Minus D plus D cancels. You are left with how many A's? 4A is equal to 32. This is the trick you remember. Very important trick. If you forget this trick, you will lose marks. You cannot solve it. 4 is equal to 32. A is equal to 32 by 4. And 4 1s are 4 8s are. A is equal to 8. You can get a product of the first and the last. Observe carefully. What is the first? A minus 3D. Last? A plus D. Is it not in the form of A plus B into A minus B? A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. When you put A is equal to 8, 8 minus 3D into 8 plus 4D. A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Right? Now you can get now. What you can get is 8 square is 64. 3D square is 9D square. Are you getting me? The product of the first and the last term to the product of the second and ratio you have to find out. Product of the second and third term. Product of the second and third term, middle terms. They are also in the form of a plus b minus b, a square minus d square. Put a is equal to 8, 64 minus d square. Take the ratio. 64 minus 9d square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ is 64 minus d square ಬಂದಿದೆ. This ratio is 7 by 15. Take 15 to the left, you will get 15 into 64 minus 9d square. Take a 64 minus d square to the right. For this you will get half marks. Observe marks also. Right? 7 into 64 minus d square. Remove the bracket. 15 into 64 minus 59 is 135 d square is equal to 7 into 64 minus 7 d square. Okay? Take minus 135 d square to the right. And you take 7 into 64 to the left. Don't multiply. Take 64 common. You will get 15 minus 7 is 8. 135. Here d square common. 135 minus 7 is 128. 64. Now you can take 128 to the left. 64 ones are, 64 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. You will get d square is equal to 4. Taking square root, you will get either d plus or minus 2. We will take a is equal to 8 and d is equal to the 4 consecutive numbers are a minus 3d. First one, be careful. A is 8, minus 3 into d is 2, 6, 2. And a minus d, 8 minus 2, 6. A plus d, 8 plus 2, 10. A plus 3d, 8 plus 3 2s are 6, 14. Therefore, the 4 consecutive terms are 2, 6, 10, 14 will be the correct answer. I hope you understood, my dear students. Let us move on to the almost the last question. The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 2 more than the 3 times of the first term. And the 8th term is 6 more than twice the first term. Find how many terms of the progression make the sum of 540. Carefully read the question and write the statements. 10th term of an AP, A10 is equal to 2 more than 3 times the first term. 2 more than 3 times. 3 times the first term is 3a plus 2. Next, what is said? 8th term of an AP is 6 more than twice the first term. 2a plus 6. Very, very simple. You can take now a plus A10 is equal to a plus 9d is equal to 3a plus d. You can take 3a to the left. A minus 3a becomes minus 2a plus 9d is equal to 2. And you can take a8 is equal to a8. A plus 7d is equal to 2a. Take a to the left, you will get minus a. And you can take 6 minus a plus 7d is equal to 6. Now you can cancel them. Minus 2a plus 9d. Elimination method. Multiply first equation by 1, second equation by 2. You will get minus 2a plus 9d is equal to 2. You can get minus 2a plus 14d is equal to 12. Both of them have the same sign. Therefore, you have to change the sign here. Minus into minus becomes plus, minus, minus. You will get here 9 minus 14d is minus 5d, minus 10, minus 5 ones are, 2s are, d will be equal to 2. Substitute d is equal to 2 in minus a plus 7d is equal to 6 equation. 7 2s are 14, minus a plus 14 is equal to 6, minus a is equal to 6 minus 14, minus a is equal to minus 8, a is equal to 8. For this you will get half marks. And what else you are asked? Find the how many terms of the progression make the sum 540, n by 2, n is asked. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you write formula half mark, substitution half mark, you take 2 to the left, you will get 540 into 1080, n into 16 plus 2n minus 2. Remove the bracket n by 2, n into 16 minus 2, 2n plus 14. Remove the bracket 2n square plus 14 is equal to 1080. That is 2n. If you take common, you will get n plus 7 is equal to 1080. n into n plus 7 is 540. And you can write now quadratic equation n square plus 7n minus 540 is equal to 0. Okay. N square, you can split that 540 factors must be such that here you can observe again sum must be equal to 7. 27 2s are 540. If you take n common, n plus 7, here minus 20 common, n plus 27, n plus 27 is common, n minus 20, n plus 27, n minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, the number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 20. You will get full marks. Okay. Or question. In an arithmetic progression, ratio of the first term and the common difference is a 3:2. And the sum of first 26 terms is 1456. So find the arithmetic progression and also find which term of the progression is 62. Observe here, ratio of common difference A is to D. A by D is equal to 3 by 2. You can take D to the right, you will get A is equal to 3D by 2. For this you will get half marks. Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 1456 is given. Right, so 26 terms means n is equal to 26, you substitute, A is equal to 3D by 2, you substitute, and 26 minus 1 is 25D, and now you can cancel 2 1s are 2 13s are, you will get 13 into 3D plus 25D, 13 3s are, and you can take a 13 to the left, and you will get 25D plus the 3D is 28D. Take 13 to the left, 28D is equal to 1456 upon 13, and you can cancel this one as, okay, and on cancellation you will get D is equal to 4. 1456, you can cancel it, okay, and you will get D is equal to 4. Substitute D is equal to 4 in equation number 1, you will get 3D by 2, D is 4. 4 3s are 12 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 6, A will be 6 will be correct answer. And what else is asked? Find the arithmetic progression also. Find which term of the progression is 62. Next question is, which term of the progression is 62? You write to the AP. A6, D4, 6, 10, 14, 18. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Which term is 62 is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 into 4? And take 6 to the left, 62 minus 6 is 56, n minus 1 into 4. Take 4 to the left, you will get 56 by 4, 4 1s are, 4 4s are, you will get n minus 1 is equal to 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Like this you can get full marks, my dear students. Let us see some MCQs very quickly. The arithmetic progression in the following is, which one is the first one arithmetic progression? Common difference is not constant, it is not. 3 7, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3, no, not a AP. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, wrong. Therefore correct answer is D. Okay, in an arithmetic progression if the third term is 13, and the second term is 8, then how do you write it as? You can write as A plus 2D. Then the first term of the progression is, right? First term of the progression is given by A plus 2D is equal to 13, right? A plus D is equal to 8. You can cancel it. You will get a 2D minus D is a D is equal to 30 minus 8 is equal to 5. And you can put D is equal to 5 here in second equation. A plus 5 is equal to 8. You will get A is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Correct answer is A is equal to 3. In an arithmetic progression, the seventh term is 12 more than the fourth term. Seventh term is 12 more than the fourth term. Find the common difference. Seventh term is A7 is equal to A4 plus 12. A plus 6D is equal to A plus 3D. Fourth term is A plus 3D plus 12. Then you can take a 3D to the left. 60 minus 3D becomes equal to, and 12 A gets what? Cancelled. You will get 3D is equal to 12. D is equal to 3 1s are, 3 4s are. D will be 4. Common difference will be 4. Write the formula to find the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression with the first term A and last term L. Sn is equal to n by 2, A plus L. Very simple, easy question, my dear students. Let us move on to the last part of this particular topic. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n minus 1. Then fourth term is, put n is equal to 4. You will get 2 4s are minus 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Answer is B, which is 7. 6x 14. Then the value of x. Middle term will be arithmetic mean between the first and the last term. 6 plus 14 upon 2. That is 20 upon 2. 20 upon 2 is 10. Correct answer is 10. Then second question. If the nth term of arithmetic progression is 2n minus 1. Same problem repeated here. Answer is 7. Here, if the first term of an arithmetic progression is m and the common difference is 3. then find the 10th term of the progression. If the first term is m, 10th term a10 is equal to m plus n minus 1 into 3, first term is m, a10 is equal to m plus 27. That's all in this session, my dear students. We covered all the 3 chapters. If you feel that I am fast, pause the video or rewind it. For time management, I was a little bit faster so that you can learn fast. Best of luck. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. All the best for your board exam, my dear students. And soon I will come with next topics. And how many chapters are possible by tomorrow, I will make it. And after examinations, think of studying Vedim's YouTube channel and also download Vedim's after your exams. And that will be a bridge course for your PUC1. That's all in this class, my dear students. Sleep well. Don't have tension. We are here. No fear. Okay. With a cool and quiet mind. Right. Put your full effort and do well. After exam, you call me. All the best, my dear students. Write comments after writing the exam. Bye bye. See you.